All right, so this lesson is all about multiplying a fraction by a whole number. Again, that rule that always stays the same is the denominator never changes. You're only focusing on the numerator. That was the same with addition and subtraction as well. You'll notice it's a common theme with fractions. So in your book, the problem it's giving you is, at his job at the ice cream counter, Stanley makes large ice cream sundaes that contain 3/4 pint of ice cream. Today, Stanley made 5 of these sundaes. How much ice cream did he use? Okay, so he has 3/4 of a pint, and he's making 5 of them. So I am doing 5 times 3/4. Now, another way to write this is 5 times 3 over 4, because the denominator never changes. So 5 times 3 is 15 over 4. Well, hey, guess what? I remember this. We've already done this. I have to make this a proper mixed fraction. 3 and 3/4. So when I'm doing this with 8 times 1/2, it stays over 2. I just multiply 8 times 1, so that becomes 8 over 2. Now I just need to properize. 2 can go into 8 how many times? 4. Ta-da! Okay, for number 2, got a big number here. 13 times 3 over 4. And 13 times 3 is 39 over 4. Okay, now I'm going to have to figure out how many times 4 can go into 39. Can anybody think of it? Can go in 9 times, because 4 times 9 is 36. That leaves 3 left over 4. Okay. The next one, 7 times 2/3. Again, the 3 stays put. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay. How many times can 3 go into 14? I wish it was 5. It can't be. Can't go over. So it's 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2/3. Okay. 9 times 1/8. Again, 8 stays put. 9 times 1, 9/8. Okay, 8 can go into 9 once with 1/8 left over. Now, for number 5, it's asking you to write a multiplication equation for each situation. So this situation is medicine taken in 10 days if the dose is 3/4 ounce per day. So I am writing 10 times 3/4. And that would equal how much medicine I need in all. The next one, the total length needed to decorate 9 boxes if each box uses 2/3 yard of ribbon. So 9 times 2/3. That's it. Now over here, when we're talking about what you're going to have to do, please pay attention that it says write a number sentence for each situation and find the answer. Don't just give me the sentence, give me the whole deal. For number 7, it says Sarah has 1/2 of a granola bar. Her friend has 5 times as many. How many granola bars does Sarah's friend have? So it is asking me to do 5 times 1/2. Okay, so denominator stays put. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 can go into 5 2 times because 2 times 2 is 4. There is 1 left over. So she's got 2.5 more. And number 8, Sue needs 5/6 cup of cocoa to make 1 batch of chocolate pudding. She wants to make 4 batches of pudding to take to a party. Write and solve an equation to show how much cocoa Sue will need for all 4 batches of pudding. So she wants to make 4 batches. In each batch, she's using 5/6. Denominator stays put. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 can go into 20 3 times, because 6 times 3 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2 over 6. I'm hoping people are making monkey sounds right now because this can be reduced. 3 1/3. Okay? Once you get the hang of it, like everything else we do, you're going to fly through it, no problems. Your assignment, independent practice, 9 to 17. Writing and solving, 18 and 19. And then doing the problem solving as well. Write them out, and then you'll go over them all together as a class. Again, if any of this is confusing, if you're not quite sure you get it and you want to watch this again, go into the Google Classroom. You will find it under Hall Math, and you can watch that video as many times as you need.